everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Paramjeet and I am back with another exciting video. So Valentine's Day is coming up and red is supposed to be the color of love. And that is why most of us choose to wear red on Valentine's Day. So today I've created this simple red lip look which you can recreate easily this Valentine's Day. So without any much ado, let's get started. I've already cleansed and toned my skin and I will be beginning with the first step in my skin prep, which is the moisturizer, and I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Next, for my under eye cream, I am using the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Under Eye Cream. Use your ring finger to apply the under eye cream because with this finger you will not be able to apply too much pressure, and we do not want to apply excess pressure on our under eyes. Now for the lip balm, I am using the Laneige lip mask. Many people tend to forget applying the lip balm on the sides of their lips, so always make sure to apply the lip balm also on the sides properly. It is a good idea to let the skin prep sit on the skin for a good 10 to 15 minutes in order for the skin to absorb the moisturizers. And then we can begin with the makeup. Before we begin applying any other makeup product, the first step is to apply a primer. And today I am using the Benefit POREfessional Primer. In order to give a good sheen to the skin, I am going to be using a strobe cream, and I am using one from MAC in the shade Pink Light. Time to move to the foundation application, and I am using Studio Fix Fluid Foundation from MAC in the shade NC42. Don't forget to apply the foundation on your neck and ears. Next, to conceal my under eye darkness and acne scars, I am using a concealer from Tarte in the shade Tan Sand. Since I want targeted concealer and I do not want the concealer to move from its place, so I am going to be using a concealer brush instead of my beauty blender to blend the concealer in place. Also applying the same concealer on my eyelids to create a base for my eyeshadow. Next, I am using a contour and corrector palette from Viseart and creating very light contours on my face. I am not a huge fan of contouring, so that's why I am going to use a very light brown shade and very lightly contour my face. It is very important to blend the cream contours really well. Any harsh lines would look really weird. So that's why I am using a beauty blender to blend it all in place. Now to set all the cream products in place, I am going to be using a powder product, and I am using the Chanel loose powder. If you are planning to stay outdoors for long and you are expecting that you would be sweating a lot, you should apply the powder using a powder puff instead of a brush. And gently tap the powder puff onto your skin so that the cream products can absorb the powder and set in place. Now let's fill in our eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Ferrero-Rocher eyebrow palette. Brushing the eyebrow hair downwards first to expose the sparse areas and filling it in with the eyebrow kit. Since we are doing a red lip look today, I am going to be applying a light shade on my eye. And today I am using a rose gold shimmer from Swiss Beauty. And I am blending the edges out using a fluffy brush. Next, I am using the Narcissist eyeshadow palette and using the dark brown color just on the outer and inner corners to complete the look. Also applying this shimmery shade on the inner corner as well as on the brow bone. Time now to curl the lashes and apply mascara, and I am using the NARS mascara. To complete the eye look, I am now using a brown kajal pencil from Lakme on my lower lash line. Since I wanted to keep the look a little light, I have used a brown kajal pencil. If you like black, you can always go ahead and use a black kajal pencil. Next, for the bronzer, I am using my regular Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Since I already applied a cream contour while doing my base, I am going to apply a very thin layer of this bronzer today, and also making sure that it blends well. For the blusher, I am using one from Sephora in the shade 27. Now coming to the lipstick, I am using the shade Ruby Woo from MAC. Since the red is a very stark color, it's not easy to correct it if you go wrong. So be very careful while applying it. Try to use a brush while applying this lipstick. If the red is too vibrant for you, you can use a brown lip pencil and then reduce the lip color. I am using a lip pencil in the shade Chocolate Brown from Color Bar. Now using the same lip brush, just diffuse the brown into the red. That's it, you guys. That's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this red lip look and you do choose to flaunt it this Valentine's Day. If you go for it, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle @ParamNC. I will also be looking forward to your comments and suggestions. Please like and share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon to turn the notifications on. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for tuning in. I love you guys so much. Take care and bye bye.